Hello everybody, welcome back to one more video. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix Productions. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. So we're back with one more new collection of our products, which is named Y2K Chrome Text Effects. So this collection is inspired from the 20th century design styles and logos, which has a huge collection of logos and all different styles, which this is the first product from this fantastic collection, which is a combination of chrome and Y2K designs with a brilliant transparent ability, as you see, which allows you to use this text effect and this logo in all your different projects. So in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can work with this style just with a single click and convert your text or logos into this design. So to access, just refer to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and you can access this product and every other single collection and product and Chrome and Y2K collections, which we're going to upload and add in future. Every week we're going to have so many updates, so don't miss out and follow me to the end of this video. After you download the product, just extract out of the zip form, install the fonts from the font folders, and just open the PSD in Photoshop. So we just right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. In this window which appears right here, all you need to do is just double click on the text icon and type your ideal text. You can also use any font, any ideal font you like. I'm just going to use the default one, and we just close and click save, nothing else. So here we have our magnificent result. As you see, our text has that brilliant style applied to it. We have one more text right here, which I can just drag it and move it wherever I want. As you see, it's so easy. I'm going to edit this text, just double click and type and enter. So excellent. As you see, we have the ability to place it wherever we want. I think it's excellent. I'm just going to drag towards up a little, and perfect. So the adjustments folder is the brightness and contrast settings, as you see. Also, if you want to change the color, you can just create a hue and saturation here just with a single click and play around with these layers and get to some fantastic and interesting new color combinations, which I think is so amazing. So also the color of this shape in the background, if you would like, you can change it. Just select this shape folder and come to the fifth group, click on the icon, and from color overlay settings you can just choose any color you like. And as you see how brilliant, you can change the color and get to any color you have in mind. So we're done with the shapes folder. You can just switch the whole folder off and don't have that shape, or you can just leave it remaining. You can just rotate it and get to some brilliant new angles which can match your text and your designs. So we have one more text at the bottom right here, which is editable. You can switch it off or just keep it remaining. We have the sparkles group, which are these little light reflections and shines, which you can switch their places. You can choose any color you want and place it on the spots which you want this lovely little light reflection, and you're totally free. Or you can just switch off the sparkles group. They don't have a very huge effect. So finally we have our text in a group folder. We have our effects, which is the main effects which create this text and the shape and the background. So after switching off the background, if you pay attention, we have this white stroke around our shape. If you zoom in, you can see it. So from the group folder and the stroke layer, you can just select the stroke and just switch it off, or if not, you can leave it remaining, and from the color section you can even change the color of the stroke. So you're totally free in the customizing options, so don't worry about anything. You can get to any result you would like. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your consideration. To download this product, don't forget hyperpix.net, join the VIP account and access this product and every other single product. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. We have so many surprises. Bye till one more video from Mary.